Okay, we'll try now. Okay guys, so someone made a comment yesterday on my latest video. His name is Gigi. He said, so my challenge to you for the next food, TELUR GULUNG. So I know TELUR, it is an egg, and GULUNG, it is to roll. GULUNG is just like similar to gulong in the Philippines, and the meaning is just also the same. Gulong in the Philippines is like G-U-L-O-N-G, which means also to roll. The English of TELUR GULUNG is rolled egg. So it's simple food with simple ingredients, but for some people it's hard to make, especially when you roll the egg. If you can pass the challenge, you are at the next level. Don't forget to give it a try to Filipino people. Actually, TELUR GULUNG is so simple kind of food. You just need an egg, then some seasoning, then that's it. But the uniqueness of this food is you need to roll the egg to the stick, and that's the challenge. And that's what makes TELUR GULUNG unique to other some kind of dish that involves egg. So I am accepting the challenge, and let's make it. Okay guys, so these are just the simple ingredients. As you can see, I have only a little ingredients for this recipe. I have 3 eggs. Then this is seasoning. This is composed of sugar, salt, and pepper. Then I have the flavoring, instant flavoring. Then the ketchup for the sauce. Then I have the cooking oil. We need a lot of cooking oil. Then a water. Then of course, the stick. Okay, let's start. So first I need to crack the egg and put it here in the mug. Then add the seasoning. The next would be the flavoring. Then this is about 90 ml of water. Then mix. Okay guys, so I need to transfer this egg mixture to this one, to this container. Then cover. Don't forget to mix. Okay, I will put now some oil. Actually, this is my first time to make this TELUR GULUNG. So we need a lot of oil. I think this is better. Then we will just wait for this to become hot. So this is the stick that I'm going to use. Actually, in Southeast Asia, you can find a lot of this. The first process is to put the egg mixture in here, then directly roll it with the stick, then tap it here at the side, just enough to compress the TELUR GULUNG. Actually, I'm so nervous because I don't know how to make this one, and I don't know if I could do this one. Okay, let's try. I think this is how to roll. I think. Okay, I'm just trying to roll this in this manner. Okay, I will try now. Oh my god, this is so perfect. I made it. Man. So it is important to tap the egg at the side. Just enough to compress. And make sure to clean the oil before adding another mixture. This is too big. Now we will just compress this one at the side. Then I will add some ketchup. So that's it. This is now my TELUR Gulung. Oh, tinawa daw call. Itlog lang no. Sarap. Ha? Sarap. Na. Isa na. Itlog na siya. Kauna na. Oh. Kauna. Ano naman no?
Talan?
Isa lang. Uy.
Ay.
Paano isa?
Sa?
Itlog na niga. Isa pa dito.
Talan?
Lamian ka dili. Kaya atag di mo sa ila. Hey guys, so I just came from outside. TELUR Gulung is just a simple recipe. The only challenge or the only uniqueness of this recipe is how to roll the egg into the stick, and that's what makes it more difficult. But actually the recipe is so simple. It is just like a simple it's like a simple egg dish, and you just beat the egg, then put some flavoring, and I think I made it successfully for the first time. And I realized that it is not that difficult as long as you are attentive and you are fast doing that rolling. because if not, the egg will not attach to the stick. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write down in the comment section below. So see you in my next video. Bye bye!